Honestly, I shouldn't have even traded because I almost lost a lot of money. What's up guys, Hector here, and today we traded a few stocks. Honestly, I shouldn't have even traded because I almost lost a lot of money. Thankfully, we were able to come out in the green, and I walked away as every disciplined trader should. You should walk away when you take some type of hit, and if you're up, you should also walk away. If you've done your part in the market, you ended up being green, you made some money, go do things that you enjoy. I like going to the gym, I like going for a walk, I like to meditate, do some chores around the house. Very important, because this is how you lose money if you get fear of missing out and stay in the markets. You keep making stubborn trades, and that is when it becomes a recipe for disaster. So we're about to get in my computer right now, and thankfully we made money today. I'm gonna do a daily recap, talking about the stocks that I traded, my thought process behind them. So I hope you enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I love doing these videos, and let's go. What is up, everyone? We are inside my computer. Today is July 14th, and we traded 4 stocks, and to be quite honest, that for me is just not okay. I shouldn't be trading that many stocks. I feel like I got a little bit of FOMO today, but we're gonna start with the very first one that I traded, and that was DTSS. I actually took a small loss on this one straight off the open. I think it was about $36. I thought it was gonna break out with this uptrending pattern, trading between both VWAP lines. I thought it was gonna break out past this first candle, and as you can see, it broke out and just faded back down. So once I saw that it didn't have that quick momentum to the upside, I just completely got out and took a small hit for $36. And then let's see, the second one that I traded was XELA. Small win on this one, $10, very insignificant. But basically, let's see what happened on this one. Yeah, just had that upward momentum. I think it also had news. The news was they entered in some type of purchase distribution agreement for a 5G messaging product throughout China, and it was a pretty big deal for the company, pretty big news. So that's why I had that momentum. So I think the exact same thing here. I thought there was going to be a breakout right here, straight off the open. As you can see, broke out, found some resistance, and then went back down. I was able to still get out very quickly. That's where I got the $10. Very insignificant. To be honest, not a great trade. The first one was not a great trade either, but a good trade in the sense of once I saw that it wasn't having that quick momentum off the open, I got out and took my small losses, or in this case, I got a small win. And as you can see, if I would have just been stubborn like I have been in the past, you can see how this completely died for the rest of the day. And obviously my loss would have been much greater. Let's see, the third one I traded was SGOC. This one actually blew up. This one opened around 11, just shy of $12, and spiked up to $18 within, let's see, within an hour and a half of market open. I wasn't able to get it all the way at the bottom, but I was able to capitalize somewhere around this $14 range, and I think I made like $67 on this one. $67. So after trading this one, I was green on the day, and at this point I was just like, man, you should stop trading. You should just walk away. It's a sketchy day for trading. Like these stocks, or these momentum stocks, are moving very unpredictably, and sometimes it's better to just walk away than take a big hit. And trust me, I've learned that the hard way. Let's see, the last one, which was my big winner, was JZXN. Mind you guys, these are all momentum stocks. All typically running on some type of news, high percentage gappers. That's what I mean by momentum stocks. This one was JZXN. Very shy news. Signed some type of letter of intent to jointly build battery swap stations for EV cars across China. Right, so more China news. The EV sector has been hot too, so when things are in the EV sector, they tend to get a lot of attention within traders. So let's see, this one was, I didn't want to trade this one off the open. As you can see, it was under both VWAP lines. It wasn't claiming not even the first one, right? This white line is the VWAP. This is the second VWAP. And it was just losing momentum into the market open. But I did think that it could have a little bit of reversal, which it did, and then continued to fade for the rest of the day. Let's see, right here, I was able to capitalize somewhere around this, let's see, somewhere around this 560 range, and I was able actually to get out in this candle right here for, I think, let's see how much it was, $136. So that was my bigger win. After that, I was like, Hector, you're in the green, walk away. You could have easily lost money. Very sketchy day in the market, and obviously when it's like that, it's better to just go for a walk, go to the gym, do something that you enjoy, get your mind and your attention off the charts, because that's literally where you get fear of missing out, where you get greedy, and then you start making really bad trades, and then you end up being red on the day, and then you end up having a horrible day. And I'm talking from experience. Trust me, I've learned the hard way. So right here, as you can see, we traded those 4 stocks that I mentioned: DTSS, JZXN, SGOC, and XELA for a total of $177.90. I walked away. I think I went to the gym, and then I came back, cooked breakfast, and I was like, okay, let me just get back on the chart, see what I did, and just walk away, because honestly right now market is still open, and I could easily be tempted to get in a trade and easily lose money. But that's it, guys. If you like these videos, I'm excited to make these. They hold me accountable. Like, comment, subscribe. They give me some type of assurance that they're gaining momentum, that they're helpful, that they're valuable. If you have any questions, feel free to message me and comment down below whatever you may have questions on and whatever's on your mind. Peace out. Later.